In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a center brake hose on your Chevy Silverado. This will go from above the diff up to the frame. Let's get started. Using a 13mm wrench, we're going to remove the fitting for the flex hose. Be sure you have a bucket under you. Brake fluid will come out. Remove the fitting from the soft line. Using a pair of pliers, remove the clip. Remove the soft line out of the bracket. Using a 13mm wrench, we're going to do the same thing on the top. Make sure you follow that flex line up for the one you're changing, and be sure you're taking off the right fitting. Pull the line out, remove the clip, remove the flex hose, install the new line, get the clip on it, push it into place, and this will hold the line for us. Get the fitting started. With the fitting started, we're going to go ahead and snug it down. Get it nice and tight. Pull the line over to the bottom bracket. Install the clip. I used my pair of pliers to help me pull the clip down over the line. Get the fitting started by hand. Snug the fitting down. Get it nice and tight. We're going to go to our master cylinder. We're going to open that cap. We're going to put that cap to the side, and we're going to top off our master cylinder. I want to make sure we're at the full line. You'll be able to see it on the side of the reservoir. There will be a mark. With the cylinder topped off, put the cap on, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.